In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a new shift bid so you can create a new bidding schedule. To do this, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your location selected. You do need to be at a specific location in order to do this. Then click on Bidding. You should arrive at your list of shift bids. To create a new one, click Add. Give your shift bid a name. I'll say July 1. Then choose a date range for this bidding schedule. So I'll click this first calendar icon and skip ahead to July. Then I'm going to choose the 30th. Then choose the next calendar icon and go to July again. And I'm going to say to the 14th. I'll make a 2-week schedule. I could have also selected this 30th one and then chosen 2 weeks, and that way I wouldn't have had to click backwards through so many months. Next, add any notes you want to be attached to this shift bid. I'll just put Note. If you changed your mind and you don't want to create this shift bid, click Close. I do, so I'm going to choose Add. And now that new shift bid has been created. Check out the next video to learn how to set up a shift bid ranking calculator and the options.